About this item: broadest models compatibility, fit for almost VIZIO V/M/D/P/PX/E/OLED series LED/LCD/HD/4K/HDR/UHD Smart TV. An XRT112/XRT132/XRT135/XRT500/XRT140/VR1/VR2/VR10/VR15 and more. VIZIO remote control model. Free of setup requirements, work right out of the box and without program. Put 2 AAA batteries, not included, to replace your original remote control perfectly. Short keys launch, 1 key quickly access to VIZIO, Netflix, Amazon XUMO, Crackle, iHeart Radio. No delay response, strongest signal by infrared technology, further transmission for multi-angle induction. Precisely control far from 12 meters/40 feet. Fastest response not over 0.2 second to your TV. It supports over 120,000 clicks. Approved test. Premium after sale, we provide a 30